good, YouTube? You already know what it is. It's your girl Stacey, and I'm back once again with another video. So today I'm gonna be doing a little, a little treats video. I ordered this about, I say, last month, and yeah, I had did a video before doing it. When I had got it, I had did a video, but something happened, and yeah, I forgot what happened. So I saved the stuff, and I'm doing the new one. So I know where it came from, but I'm not gonna tell y'all until I open it. So, but yeah, I ordered this. It's called Treats. If you want to go get it, it's called Treats, and it do not tell you what country it came from until you get it and you open it. So it's like a surprise or whatever. So we're gonna open this and I'm gonna try it. And yeah, before we get into this video, I'm gonna need y'all to hit that subscribe button, give this video a fat thumbs up, go follow all my social media accounts, which will be in the description down below, and let's get into the video. Okay, so we're gonna open it. When you open it, it's all messed up, but when you open it, it comes like this. It don't actually comes like this, but it's like a sticker on it and it's closed or whatever, and da-da-da. And then you open it, and then it comes with, so this box is from Taiwan, however you pronounce it. And it comes with like a postcard, like a greetings card, and it tells you about, it gives you little stuff about, tells you about the country or whatever, and all this other stuff, And then here go like a recipe for, like, I guess their famous Chinese moon cake or whatever, and gives you the recipe for it and the instructions on how to make it and stuff like that. And just a little, it tells you a little bit more stuff about Taiwan and stuff. If you go there, and facts about it, and did you know, and clues for the next month. And then the next thing you will see is this little card right here, and it tells you everything that's in the box. It tells you everything that's in the box, and yeah. So we're gonna start off. The first thing that you will see in the box would be these little things right here, and it's called volcano popping candy. So if you're in the US or whatever and you don't know, these are like pop rocks. Of course, it's open, So, and then on the inside, they got like little packages like this, And then we're gonna open it and we're gonna try it out. This is the flavor green apple. I wish they would have sent like a variety flavor, like a pack with different flavors in it, but they didn't. So we're gonna open it, and then if you look on the inside, this is what it look like. So these are actually good. I love these right here. I love the Pop Rocks. It's still popping in my mouth. The next thing in here are these chips right here. These are called Sedina Taro chips. I think I pronounced it right. I don't know. These are, I'm gonna tell you what they are. These are, it says they are sweet and crunchy potato chips made with taro roots and flavored with sugar and salt. If you can tell by what it is, you know it's, I don't know. But this is what the chip looks like. You can see like the roots in there. And we're gonna try it. Oh yeah, and also I'm rating the items. So for this, I'm giving this a 10 out of 10. For these chips, I'm giving them a 3 out of 10. And the next thing that's in here is these chips right here. They are garlic pea crackers. Garlic pea crackers. And yeah, we just gonna try it out. That is a 0 out of 10. All you can taste is the garlic, like, no. Next thing we want to try are these Jim Want ball cake. They look like this. I'll give these a 1 out of 10. They so dry and barely have a taste. No, okay, I can't do it. The next item we have is these little cracker things, thingy-majiggies right here. These are called Tinka Aichi Band rice crackers. I don't know if I said that right, but yeah. Okay, so this little piece broke off, so I'm gonna try it. It tastes like popcorn without the butter. Tastes like plain popcorn with just like a little bit of sweetness on top, you know. But I give that about a 5 out of 10. And it's more that I came in there, you know, more that I came in there. The next thing I'm gonna try is this thing right here. This whole thing I'm gonna jiggle right here, you know. This is called a raisin sesame flour cake. And I'm gonna just get this little piece right here. I'll give this a 0. I give this a 0 out of 10 because I don't like it. It's nasty, and yeah. Don't mind my hair, guys, because it's a mess, and I know it's a mess, and yeah, I need it done. But the next thing in here is these chocolate marshmallows. It's a marshmallow with like a little chocolate on the inside, a little dark chocolate on the inside. Here's what it look like. And I'm gonna just, tear it off like that. I'm not a big fan of marshmallows. So yeah, no. 0 out of 10. And it was a whole bunch more that had came in there and stuff like that. And then the next thing that is in here, we are almost done, guys. We got one more after this one. The next thing that's in here is this coconut candy right here. Coconut candy. Comes in a package like this. If you want to open it. And this is what it look like. I give these a 10 out of a 10. Well done. Yeah, I give the coconut candy 10 out of a 10. It is bomb. They taste like them candies that your grandma would have in her purse or whatever. You know, them caramel things that your grandma would have in her purse. And the final thing we have in here are these savory crackers. These savory crackers have scallions and seaweed sprinkled with a touch of salt, you know. So we're going to try if I can get it open. So it comes with 4 crackers in there. These what the crackers look like. It broke, so yeah. But these what the crackers look like, and they're good. They just need a little bit more salt, you can say. Other than that, bomb. I give them 7.5 I can say a 7.5 out of a 10. But yeah, guys, that'll be all for this video. Y'all already know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up button, comment videos that y'all want to see, comment other videos y'all want to see from me down below. Something else. And yeah, go follow all my social media, which will be in the description down below. And this is what I'm gonna need y'all to do. All right, I'm gonna need y'all to go and subscribe to Chris and Stacey, KRIS space AND space STACEY. Go subscribe to that channel, and the person that goes, if you go subscribe to that channel and I go see that you subscribe to that channel, you will get shouted out in my next video that I do on this channel. So